From September 12 to 15th, Mandello del Lario, Italy, will host the highly anticipated Moto Guzzi Open House and the Città della Moto Guzzi Rally. This event draws Moto Guzzi enthusiasts from around the globe to celebrate the storied brand. Attendees can look forward to a vibrant weekend set against the picturesque backdrop of Lake Como's eastern shore, filled with camaraderie, adventure tales, and numerous Moto Guzzi motorcycles. Rally kickoff and museum highlights. The festivities commence on September 12 with the Motoraduno Internazionale Città della Moto Guzzi, featuring a packed schedule of events. The Moto Guzzi Museum, which reopens for the open house on September 13, will be a key attraction. Despite ongoing renovations aimed at transforming the historic factory into a modern production and community hub, the museum will showcase its collection of over 150 historic Moto Guzzi bikes. Test rides and shopping opportunities. A central feature of the open house is the opportunity for visitors to test ride various Moto Guzzi models. Enthusiasts can experience bikes like the classic V7, V85, V100, and the new Stelvio on scenic trails around Lake Como. Additionally, the Moto Guzzi shop will offer a wide range of branded merchandise and accessories for those looking to take home a piece of the event. Exciting exhibitions and events. The Motoraduno Città della Moto Guzzi program promises a range of thrilling events throughout Mandello del Lario. Piazza Leonardo da Vinci will host an exhibition of historical motorcycles, including racing models and unique custom bikes. A highlight will be the display of artist Antonio Ligabu's Moto Guzzi, alongside a biographical film screening about the painter at the Fabrizio de André Municipal Theatre on September 13. Scenic tours and adventure stories. For those interested in scenic explorations, the Gruppo Amici di Maggiana, GAMAG, will lead a museum tour on September 12, covering 110 kilometers and featuring 2 museums. Moto Guzzi riders known for their adventurous spirit will share tales of their global journeys at the Via del Naco stand in Piazza Garibaldi. Eagle Market and art exhibitions. The Eagle Market, a favorite among attendees, will return, offering Moto Guzzi bikes and spare parts. The Lido's multifunctional space will exhibit works and drawings dedicated to Moto Guzzi by artist Ettore Gambioli. Visitors can also enjoy a major exhibition of Moto Guzzi motorbikes at the San Lorenzo Oratory, including unique police vehicles like the 3x3 Mulo Meccanico. Family-friendly activities and live music. The event will cater to families, with a test track for children to learn electric minibikes, courtesy of the Associazione Bimbi in Moto. Fashion enthusiasts can look forward to the Fashion and Motorbikes event in Piazza Italia, showcasing wedding dresses paired with Moto Guzzi bikes. Live music will set the tone for the evenings, with performances in Piazza Garibaldi on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights. Lottery and special prizes. The Motoraduno lottery will conclude the event, offering exceptional prizes, including a Moto Guzzi V7 Stone in exclusive colors, a Mediterranean mini cruise, a Moto Guzzi leather jacket, a V85 TT helmet, and a leather top case. This exciting array of activities ensures that the Moto Guzzi Open House and Città della Moto Guzzi Rally will be a memorable celebration for all attendees.